video for y'all. And as y'all can see, we have so many packages. And before y'all start, I already know what you're thinking. You just said how you weren't gonna do any shopping, you're over consumption and yada yada yada. I know what you're thinking, but I'm going to Miami. It was kind of a last minute thing. Like it was, but it wasn't. You know how you like talk about going on a trip, but like things aren't booked yet. So until things got booked, that's when things got really real. So things are booked, and that means that I'm going and I have my plane ticket. So I needed new outfits and new stuff for Miami, because when you go on a vacation, it don't count. Like they don't count because I have to get new stuff for vacation. It's vacation. Anyway, let's go ahead and get into it. I really have to open this stuff because I have to start packing. I literally leave in a couple of days, and my next couple of days is about to be mad hectic, so I have to start packing. But most of the stuff is in all of these boxes, so let's go ahead and hop into the video. So I'm gonna start with this large one right here, just because it's so big and it just takes up so much space. So we're just gonna go ahead and knock this 5 and below package out of the way. Ooh, so we got some really interesting stuff in here. The first thing I'm gonna take out is my luggage. So the very first thing I got is a new little luggage, and I got it from Five Below. Can y'all believe that? So I got this cute little carry-on bag suitcase. It was literally $25. $25, you cannot beat that. So I got a whole little luggage because my old one broke. Y'all know how rough and tough the airport workers be on luggages. So the last one definitely got busted up the last time that I went somewhere. But yeah, we got a new one, and I love the fact that it has the rolling wheels. That was really important to me, instead of just like the straight back and forth. So it has the wheels that go like all the way around, and I'm really excited about this. My only thing that I would change, and y'all already know, is that I wish it was pink, but the pink was sold out, so I got purple. But the purple's still cute though. So yeah, I got me a little 20-inch luggage from Five Below, and let's see what else we got from Five Below. So the next thing that I got was this cherry rug. And if you guys have seen my move-in vlog, then you already know that I had this rug, but it was just like dingy, and being that it was $5, I wanted to just replace it because the white had gotten so dingy on my last one. So I got the same rug again, but now it's all new and clean. So next I got these Stanley dupe cups or whatever, and I got 2 of them because they were $5, and I just feel like these are 2 different moods. Like pink, of course, y'all already know, gotta get the pink. I have this cup in a dark pink, but the light pink is just more my aesthetic, y'all already know. And then the blue, I just thought this was just mad cute for the spring and summer. Like the powder blue color, it's just as gorgeous. Like this is just gorgeous. So yeah, I got 2 new cups, but instead of paying $50 like y'all be doing for y'all Stanley cups, these were $5.55. Yeah. I think the straws are in here, so yeah, we got little straws too. So that's everything for the Five Below package. So next we're gonna move on to these smaller Amazon type packages. This one on top I already opened, so we're just gonna see what's inside. Okay, so the very first thing in the Amazon package is some more brow gel. I live by this brow gel. The clear one is everything. So this is always a rebuy for me, and I had just bought one recently, but I swore I threw it away by accident. So I had to re-up and get a new one. I love some brow gel. Makes a huge difference to your face if you ask me. Next, I have this cute e.l.f. travel skincare kit. And obviously all of my skincare is like actual size products, so I didn't have any like small products, and I didn't want to go like individually buy all the minis that I use. So to save money and to be more cost efficient, I found a little kit. Y'all know I love e.l.f. e.l.f. has some really good skin products too, as well as their makeup products. And so yeah, they have this whole hydrating kit. It has eye cream, it's makeup cleansing balm in here, face cream, face cleanser, hydration drops. Like you got the whole shebang. So you already know the skin is about to go crazy in the Miami sun. Yeah, this one literally isn't interesting, but this is just like hair foam. So for like curly hair, you would put the mousse on this type of hair, but I needed some more, so I got some of this. Next, I know y'all can't really see because Amazon be like trying to make sure they triple package the products and stuff, but this is some Alvino. I've never used this before. It's daily moisturizing body oil mist, and it's for dry skin. So yeah, I got some of this so that my skin can be shining and glistening in that Miami sun. That's everything in the next package. Moving on to this package right here. Okay, so in this bag right here is some Shein clothes. Yeah, all this stuff right here is from Shein, and y'all already know that I'm gonna do a Shein try-on haul. That's why I'm trying to get all of this stuff out of the way. But it's this bag and this box right here, so I won't be opening those two because it will be in the try-on haul. This is honestly probably, don't quote me, but probably my last time shopping off Shein. I was trying not to, but when you need some quick, fast vacation outfits, especially for hot weather, y'all already know Shein is gonna get the job done. And I was racking my brain trying to find other places to shop. Nothing wasn't hitting for nothing, so I just went on Shein. But after this, I think I'm done with Shein, y'all. I don't know. I think I'm done, but don't quote me. I always feel like Shein is a good idea when you need a go-to and you kind of like need something for sure that you know gonna hit for something. And you don't want to like experiment, but I think I'm done with Shein. They've gotten so much money for me, and I just think that it's time to let go of the fast fashion. I don't know. And this is the Dennis Gross Universal Daily Peel Wipes. I love these. I try to keep these on deck at all times. This in the red box. I always try to keep the orange in the red box, but I only got the orange box this time. But yeah, I absolutely love these for my skin, and I got some more. And I'm also just really glad they sell these on Amazon now, because I used to always get them from Sephora, and now I don't have to do that. I can just go on Amazon and get what I need. We have another Amazon package. So the very first thing, and I don't want to open it yet, but these are just like hair jewels, and they're like crystals and stars and stuff, because I'm about to go get my hair done. Actually tonight I'm going to get my braids done, and this is the jewelry that I'm going to add in my braids. So yeah, next we have this little light right here, and it goes on your phone and your camera. I have one for just my camera, but I don't have one that can go on my phone also. So I think it's a really good idea to have one that could go on both. So I got this little camera right here for all of my content needs in Miami, because I'm gonna try to make content, and I'm also gonna try to live my life, but I'm gonna try to make content. So I bought some Fabuloso, and I got the lemon scent. I love the lemon and the lavender, two favorites, but I got the lemon scent. I was supposed to clean my house before I go on vacation, so that's what this is for. Lastly, out of this box is this little fan. I love these little portable fans. It's blue. This one was on sale instead of the pink one. It was like half off, so I got the blue one, but the blue one's still mad cute. And yeah, it's a little portable fan to go in your purse, because it's gonna be hot, and when I go drinking I get really hot, and if I don't have air circulation I'm going to throw up. So I have to have a fan on me at all times. Not to be bougie, but like literally if I don't have air I'm going to throw up. Okay, so the next box is this Ruby Kisses box, but I did not purchase this. This was sent to me. Oh, they sent me some brushes. This is actually a really cute box. They sent me some brushes and this eyeshadow palette that I'm about to show y'all. And this is like a summer collection, so I have to do a makeup look using this palette coming soon. So this will probably be my next Freestyle Friday look. Moving on to this box right here, it is from Miss Lola, so let's get into it. So the very first thing from Miss Lola is this bag, and y'all already see the vacation vibes. So I got this really cute straw bag. To match the straw bag, I also got some slides or slippers, sandals, whatever you want to call them. They look like this to match the straw bag type of vibes. And lastly, I just got some jewelry. And it's it's just a bunch of different jewelry to really kind of match the vibes of the sandals in the bag and stuff, as y'all can see. So next, let's get into this next Amazon package, and then we'll get into the two, I guess, like best packages. They're all great, but these two I'm really, really excited about. So the next thing in that package is some lip balm. This is from Laneige or Laneige, and I absolutely love, love, love this lip gloss or lip oil. I'm not sure what it's under, but absolutely love it. It's so, so, so good. So I'm definitely taking this to Miami with me. And then next, I got this little flat iron. Let me show you. This little pink flat iron. It's like one of the 1-inch for the baby hairs, and since I'm about to get braids with baby hairs, I got this cute little flat iron. It was super affordable too. I've been wanting one of these for a little minute, and finally I got one because my real flat iron is just too big for the baby hairs. I can't even like grip the little baby hair section. So I was gonna make a separate video for these two items right here, but I just don't see the point in doing that, a whole entire video for 2 items. But I'm really excited to unbox these. These are some affordable luxury items that I am so excited to open. It's my very first for both of these, so let's go ahead and get into it, okay? So this very first box I'm mad excited about. I've been wanting a pair of these for a while. Honestly been meaning to support my girl since she dropped her business, but I just haven't gotten around to it. I don't even know what that was about, but I finally got some today though. So in this box right here, we got these Lorvaes, baby. We got some Lorvaes, don't play. So I'm about to open this up. I'm super excited. Comes in a box like this. So this is what they're giving. I forgot what this one is called, to be honest with y'all, but I'm gonna put it on the screen when I find out. Very much affordable luxury. Black owned, you already know. But yeah, I'm loving these. Loving these. Can't wait. Pulling these out every chance I get. Can't see the haters and they can't see me. What? I got me a pair of Lorvaes, okay? What? Don't play with her. This is the very last package in this video before my camera dies. Let's go ahead and hop into it. I'm mad excited about this. So let's go ahead and rip it open. Rip me out the plastic. I'm about to add brand new on these hoes. Wait. So this right here, I expected it to come in a box. Not like this box, but like an actual like box for what I paid for this. But let's get into it. I'm actually low-key heated that these bags don't come in like an actual box. Like, what? My camera died, so let's go ahead and wrap this video up because now I'm using my phone. My camera died on me. But anyway, I'm really mad they didn't have the bag in like a proper box. Like, why don't y'all have a box or a dust bag or like anything? But I got me one of those Geiger bags. I believe I'm saying that right. But yeah, this is my first little affordable luxury bag, but luxury nonetheless. Like, you see her. She's so cute. I'm obsessed with this color too because I just thought it was such a cute spring and summer color. It's fun, it's teal, like I don't have anything like it. Yeah, I don't have anything like her, and I didn't want like brown or black or like, I don't know, new coloring. So we got this really pretty bag. I like it a lot. I love the detailing on it with all the dark gold hardware. Yeah. You see me, you see her. This is so cute. I feel like such a baddie. Like, what? And then like, don't make me. You see her? Nah, y'all don't see her because y'all not seeing her. What? Yeah, this is my new bag, my new baby. I'm loving her, loving her, loving her. But that's pretty much it for this video. But these two are like the things that I'm most excited about. But obviously I love every single purchase that I got. but like, are you kidding me? Kidding me? But yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you turn that post notification bell on so the next time I drop a video, baby, you'll be notified. Also, make sure you follow me on Instagram for daily content, and I will see you guys in my next video. I think I should show you guys the inside because somebody probably wants to know like what it's giving. I didn't take the tissue paper out, but this is the inside. Oh, more tissue paper. There's just so much in here. But yeah, this is what it's looking like on the inside. It's very spacious. It has lots of different compartments and whatnot. And yeah, that's her. So I'll see you guys in my next video, which will probably be me packing for Miami because I'm about to get ready to board this plane soon. Love you guys. Mwah.